Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Best GIS Tutorial. In today's lecture I will show you how to download GIS shapefile data for any country. So you can see that in the display I download this vector data from a website. So I will show you how to download such type of data, and here you can see in table of content these are type of data which include point data, line data and polygon data. I downloaded from a website. Now going to start that how to download such type of data for GIS. Now open Google and here search the data. I will also give you the link in description box. You can copy this link and search a shapefile data in GIS software. This is the website. Now click on this link. Here you can see that the website is open. Now here we will just select the format of the data, which type of data we want to download. Here you can select the shapefile, and after that you will search your study area for which area you want to download the shapefile data. So here I want to download it for my own study area. So search my study area. So let's suppose this is my study area, and here I will write the name of my study area. Here you can see that we will just download this type of data. Now move the map to your desired location, then click here. Now click here. The area is selected. Now for downloading we will click on here on extract button. Here you can see a new window dialog box is open. It takes between 2 to 7 minutes to extract an area from planned OSM. Read this dialog box carefully. Here is the address of our study area and here is the format of our study area. Now we will receive an email and notification. Here you can see that. Now go to email and open email here. You can see that we received this email from the website. Now click on this link, and here you can see that. Read this email carefully, and here is the download link. We will click on that, and you can see that the data is downloading. After that, open this data, show data in folder, and here copy the link and go to a desired folder and paste the link here. Paste the link and extract all. Yes, here you can see that the data is extracted. Here open the data. Here is the shape of data. Here you can see that this is the data. Now I will show you this data in GIS software. For that, go to GIS and open GIS software and go to add data, and here is the data. Click on it, and here is the shapefile data. Here you can see that these are shape files you download from the website. So add these all data to GIS software. Here you can see that the data is added to GIS software. Now go to table of content, and here you can check the data by attribute table. Here is places, and open the attribute table of places, and here you can see the detailed information of the places of the given data. Now go to land use and see the land use type of the study area, and go to properties and go to symbology and categorize it, and here you can select the type of land use and uncheck the symbol and go to add all values. Here you can see that this is the land use type of the study area, and click on apply, click on OK. Now zoom to layer, now here you can see that. Now uncheck one by one and see the data and detail. First uncheck places, then uncheck point data, and uncheck railway tracks, and roads, waterways, buildings. Here you can see such just the land use type of data. That data we downloaded from a website. I hope that you will learn that how to download such type of vector data for GIS software from the given website. I will also give you the link of the website in description box. So if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe my channel for more informative lectures. Thank you.